afternoon, mga budgies. Look at my budgies here. Look at the two budgies. They are African lovebirds. I have here two pair. One pair. One pair pala ito. Kasi i-isolate namin yan kasi I think the female is still very young. Good. Yes, yo. But this one, they are now paired. That one, what we call this? This is very, very nice African lovebirds. This pair is, or the female is color white. My budgies or my African lovebirds has a ring band. Look at the ring band. Look at the ring band. They have ring bands. Come on. Come on, budgies. May I see your ring band? Budgies. Budgies. Let us see your ring band. Let us see your ring band. Look at the ring band. Oh, they're so noisy. Oh, why are you quarreling, the two of you? Oh. This one, I have here an ordinary, not African lovebirds. They are ordinary lovebirds. Hello, Pepe and Pilar. I named them Pepe and Pilar. This is my first lovebirds, and this one is the second lovebirds. But an ordinary lovebirds, and I named them Pili and Gabo. Oh no, make it with you. And look at this, they are so beautiful. And look at the ring band again. I have here African lovebirds and has a ring band. There's no zoom here, so I can zoom the ring band of this African bird. And this one is the blue, what we call the blue lovebirds, and also has a ring band. The female is inside. There's an egg or a baby budgies. A baby budgies, I don't know if how many are there. And how about this one? Don't go inside. Don't go inside. Don't go inside. Hello. And this one, the two. This is my first pair. My African lovebirds. the first pair I bought. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello budgies. How are you? They're so sleepy. Look at that. They're so sleepy.